I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you notice an unauthorized charge on your PNC account, disputing it through the app is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the PNC app. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issuer.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts tab and select the account with the unauthorized charge. Then, find the Transactions section to view your recent activity. Step 3. Select the charge. Scroll through Transactions to locate the unauthorized charge. Tap on it to view more details about the transaction. Step 4. Initiate dispute. In the transaction details, look for the dispute option. Tap on it and follow the prompts to provide information about why you believe the charge is unauthorized. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After filling out the necessary information, review your dispute and submit it. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your dispute has been filed. Remember, if you accidentally dispute a legitimate charge, you can usually resolve it by contacting customer service directly. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope this helps you get your money back.